In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create balance sheet reports in Wave. A balance sheet is a snapshot that shows what your business owns, what it owes, and the owner's equity at a specific point in time. It's essential for understanding financial health, preparing for taxes, and sharing with lenders or stakeholders. First, open Wave Accounting and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click on Reports. This is your hub for all the financial statements Wave can generate. From the list of available reports, select Balance Sheet. This opens the setup view where you'll tailor the report to your needs. Next, set the report details. Choose the date range that fits your goal. If you're closing the month, pick the last day of that month. For year-end, choose the final day of the fiscal year. Consistency matters here, so use the same cutoff dates across your other reports for accurate comparisons. Then select the report type. Depending on your preferences, you might see options for a summary versus a more detailed view, or a format that best suits your internal review versus external sharing. Choose the option that makes the report easiest for you and your audience to read. When your settings look right, click Update Report. Wave will generate the balance sheet based on your selections. Take a moment to review the results. Start with assets, which include what your business owns, like cash, bank balances, receivables, and fixed assets. Move to liabilities, which cover what you owe, such as credit card balances, bills payable, or loans. Then check equity, reflecting the owner's stake after liabilities are subtracted from assets. A quick accuracy check is that assets should equal liabilities plus equity. Also look closely at your cash and bank balances. If they don't match your reconciled statements, verify your date range and ensure all transactions are properly categorized and reconciled. If you need a deeper look, click Show Details to expand each section. This gives you line-by-line breakdowns, helping you spot unusual amounts or accounts that need cleanup. You can collapse details again once you're done. If you want to share or save the report, click Export to download it in your preferred format. This is helpful for emailing to your accountant, attaching to loan applications, or storing monthly archives. And that's it. Your balance sheet report has now been generated in Wave Accounting. Thanks for watching.